Hello, everybody. What's going on? What's going on? It's the afternoon session. I don't typically trade Monday mornings on my stream. I'm on Ninja Trader, so I'm like, okay, let's do the afternoon because this is a week of giveaways. I want to do a giveaway every single day this week. And we did one on Friday, which is interesting. Here we are in the afternoon session, though. Let's ask the chat whether you're bullish, bearish, or neutral. It's last week's high on ES. We just hit it. Let's see here. Previous week high. Let's put the poll in the chat. What's going on? Okay. Today, interesting day for me, actually. I took a short, ended up getting stop break even, then took it again and got some partials, and then stopped break even again. So it's a decent day. Here we have previous weekly high hit on ES, not on NASDAQ. Also, ES took the new high of day. NASDAQ did not. So we have some divergence there. That's super interesting to me, honestly. So might try shorts again today. We'll see. Even though this morning I said I would look for Friday's high bullishness, I just totally missed it. In the morning, I just had some technical difficulties. Whatever, we move on. We move forward. And yeah, this is Friday's high. It's not what I wanted to do, but okay. So it's going to be a fun week. I definitely know that I have to stay better focused this week because I'm bad at multitasking, especially when I do giveaways. It's very hard, but I learned a valuable lesson on Friday about my, lower probability trades and trades I'm definitely instead probably going to take the opposite of. Which I did kind of today, and it worked out decently, so. Never a loss, just a business expense. So yeah, we're going to have fun. Today, I'll give away 5 50K expert plan accounts with my funded futures. Each day today, we'll do a giveaway on stream. Also, we'll have this whole week, basically, at the end of the week, 2 people will win sim funded accounts. So an actual funded account, not an eval, a starter 50K. Out of everybody that, if you use code Tanya this week for a My Funded Futures account, then you're entered into that sim funded giveaway. All new users get 50% off this week. So that's cool. And yeah, we'll see how I do multitasking these things, but we just hit previous week high on ES. It's going to be fun. It's going to be a good week. I think that last week was hard. I ended on a difficult note. Frustrating note. It was kind of but I learned my lesson. So I'm happy. Take that expense on the chin and then you just, whatever, move on. So yeah, we're going to see here if we're going to end up taking something here. ES, I want to look at previous high of day. This is a previous 4-hour high. Okay. So 1-hour high was here. The 4-hour high was here. So ES took its previous 4-hour high. I don't think NQ did it? Oh, it did. Right, it did. Okay. So on the 4-hour, on the 1-hour, okay, so I kind of probably going to have to wait until this 1 hour is done. The 1 hour, actually the 1 hour is where we have that divergence. Okay. An hourly high on ES. Not on NASDAQ. So we're getting some kind of inversion here. Yeah, we did on the 2. The previous weekly high on ES. I want to see. 2 minute there, the inversion's there. See on the 3 here. Didn't particularly take a high yet. See the 4 hour again. Let's see here. $115. That's the thing, is I don't even, this looks pretty good. The stops are pretty small today, you know? Oh my gosh, if I missed that short, I'm gonna be annoyed. Okay, it's okay. Let's see. Where are we on the 5? Where things are kind of complicated, because at this point, if I had taken that, I'd probably put my stop break even. You gotta stay focused. Yeah. Cool. It ain't over. We still got a bunch of sell side left. Where's our 10 a.m. open, by the way? It's all the way here. That's what I was looking for a long time ago. I'm still in the dealing range. This is still in the discount, actually. I mean, premium. I do like how we just like ripped through down there. Okay. ES hasn't hit this low yet either. The hourly. I'm just kind of sort of worried about the. Okay. Okay. Missed that retracement there. But it's okay. I didn't even realize it was happening as I was talking, so. It's all good. On the 2 minute. Okay. Probably gonna end up just shorting this, honestly, because it's still in the discount. I mean, premium. There's no divergence. This is like a 20-point stop to make whatever else. Let's see. This to make this. I'm not in it yet, but I'm probably gonna end up taking it. Yeah. Alright. I'm about to take this short here on NASDAQ. I just got filled. Okay, I just got filled there. Let's see. Let me pull up my Ninja Trader here. Yeah. 10 a.m. open. 790. Alright, cool. It's digging into this upper FEG. It's only a 20-point stop, or less, actually. Where did I enter here? Yeah, it's like a 17-point stop. I'll take one more. Okay. At the same time, I always gotta look at ES. But we're fine. Looking good. It's like hits equal lows. I'll probably put stop up, like as it displaces again, if it does. But I think that it should. So, was this a 3R to here? 2R to here? To 830 open is a 2R to here is just good enough. So I'll probably end up taking some partials there at those lows. Yeah. My stop is good. Cool. It's digging up again. I just gotta make sure my stop is good. Yeah, cool. What's ES doing here? See? I kind of just put my mouse where I look at like order blocks and things. That's fine. If it ends up displacing here, I'll probably end up flipping and going longs. Yeah, we'll probably end up flipping now. Let's see. Is there an SMT at the low? Okay, no SMT at the low. Oh, I mean, honestly, no, I'm not gonna flip longs. No. Nope. I'm watching hourly again. Previous hour high is here. So this hourly high. Here, we just took out the high again. All right, on ES. New high of day. Also, okay. I mean, look at that wick. It's totally possible. I'm not going back and longing this. Actually, it's totally possible that was just a manipulation. I might reshort. Let's see. What am I now on the day? All right, 2200, whatever. Okay, up 22. Took previous hour high on ES. NQ didn't. Yeah, if we end up failing again, I'll retry. I'm gonna retry it. Let's see. I need all of this to invert though. Okay, 2 minutes here. It's a 3 minute. Okay. It's the heat map. Apple's down 1.7. Alright. Cool. I'm ready to re-enter shorts real quick, real soon. We'll see if it ends up transpiring. This needs to close below. No, no closure yet. All right. Not yet, but maybe next one. Looking good, even on the 1 minute. The lower one here. Let's see if it closes. No, not yet. About the 2. There's 1 minute left in the 2-minute candle. Honestly, it looks like it's going to close below it, but I have to wait for the candle to close. "12 seconds left. This is high here. Now we're getting close to it. I'm going to be really shocked. All right, yeah, I'm going to enter that. All right, I'm entered it again. If this doesn't work out, then, I'm wrong on the shorts, but I'm entered. So I'm risking like 25 to make at least 50 here. Okay. I'm gonna leave it on the 2-minute because that's where my entry is based off of. See if I can make this better on my OBS. I just really like the fact that, ES took previous hourly high. I think that's fine. I think this is a manipulation wick that I got wicked out of, and that's fine. I'll try it again. If I get stopped out second time, then I'm wrong. I think this is a good RR. It's at least this is 2R. But where I want it to go is like, right, I'm risking like 20 to make 70 there. But yeah, once we take these lows, top will be break even. And also, I could maybe just stick around in this for a while. It did broke below, repriced to it. Would be nice if we get further downside. What's going on for ES? Yeah, looks decent. We'll see. High is correct. Yep, putting my stop there. Yeah, I'm only risking like 24. Okay. Something like that. 24 points. Honestly, the volatility is pretty low, so you get decent stops. Even though it looks like a scary wick, like a large stop, it's not. It's only 20 points. I'm looking for that 10 a.m. low. I mean, 10 a.m. open, you know? That's what this target is. Hopefully we don't get a bunch of SMTs, bullshit SMTs at the lows again, you know? I want ES to start showing weakness too. Like if we take this low, I'll probably end up putting a stop break even, honestly, we'll see. Yeah. Creeping up back up. It's fine. What time is it? 1:30? Perfect. What's ES doing? Okay, that's fine. Not much. This is fine by me. You can go ahead and retrace. I'm just gonna look on the hourly here real quick. $8.40's previous hourly opened, really? Okay, that's fine. We didn't really get there yet. Okay. Got there before we took out the high. Okay. That's fine. I like this still. It's not comfortable holding it, but I like it still. Negative about 0.5 R here. It's creeping back up higher. It's fine. Mm-hmm. I really don't see any divergence here at the lows. For me to not want to get out. So only thing I kind of see is like, oh yeah, that short I missed, and then that would have gotten stopped me out of break even, but I'm re-entered. Go ahead and retrace, whatever. Be fantastic if ES starts showing some more downside soon. Otherwise, if this gets bought up right here, I'm probably gonna get cooked. That's all good though. I'm playing with what I made today. Came back about 50% into this wick. We'll see what it does. Will it start failing here? That'll be great. Kind of now or never, because it's digging back up to 50% of this. So I don't really want this. I'd want this to flush through this here. This FEG here. Yeah. I wouldn't love it if we held this up. Let's see. Continue watching this. Because then, bullish order flow is starting to get respected again. On the one. I'm holding it. See this? Yeah, it's fine. Stops above a high that's above Friday's high. We got a divergence at the highs. We didn't even hit this low. This would be the low I'd even go for. Minimum. I really want to get back to 10 a.m. open, but I can't push myself too much on there. If we start seeing, if it fails here and we actually start seeing lower prices, I'd put my stop at break even pretty quickly, honestly. It's reaching up again. See the 3-minute there? I didn't even tap into the 3-minute here. I'm cool still holding this. My stop is here. I've seen plenty of times it comes like 2 points within my thing. My tech. My stop loss. We're at 4 points away. See here. Okay. Yeah. Didn't love how we wicked this, but whatever. 3 points away from getting stopped. Mm-mm. I'm in this trade since here, right? Yeah. 131. 147. 14-minute trade. Huge retracement. Not quite at my stop yet, though. Mm-mm. Kind of wild. I only got like 1 point below my stop. Mm-hmm. Yeah, around 1 point. Or even 2 ticks. See this on the 2. Dilly-dallying. Would love to see us. I would love to see a early reversal now, honestly. Where's Trump? Tell Trump to tweet something. What are you guys thinking? What are you guys thinking? Are you guys short or long bias? What happened? Most people are bullish. 52% voted bullish. It's gonna be fun if this is like the reversal. That'll be fun. Love it to fail. Start failing here and here. I'm holding though. Did we tap Friday's high again? Reject? Yeah, we did. It would be great. Otherwise, if we break back above, then maybe we'll even go to Thursday's high. That's not out of the question. Kind of creeping back. definitely not my favorite kind of market, but taking this trade anyway. Again, stopped like 2 ticks away, 2 points away. I don't like, did ES even take this high again? That'll be crazy if it took this high again. Not yet. I don't think so. What's this high? 26.75. Made an equal high there. Interesting. A lot of back and forth, you guys. Right before this high. A lot of back and forth. Go back to the 2 minute. Yeah, we gotta start seeing more downside. Not opposed to. Oh, that stopped out too. Bruh. Oh my god. So what's my P&L on the day now? I like up 775. Yeah, the shorts didn't very short-lived today. Let me just see this. Okay. Basically for the shorts, you have to just get in at the retouch, the immediate retouch. This is what happened to this. Yeah, these are my trades today. 1, 2, 3, 4. Short, stop, break even. Short, partial, stop, break even. Short, stopped, short, stopped. So that sucks, but whatever. Let's take a look here. Looking back on this hourly. Yeah, this hourly. 5 minute candle. Yeah, we didn't want to go back lower. All right. 5 minutes left in this candle. Honestly, I'm kind of pissed off because, like, why can't I get a good trade on my stream recently? It's annoying. Not even a partial. Bruh. It's fine. Love how Wick dip. It hates me, really. Or I'm gonna wait for 2 p.m. I swear, by the way, if now it just fails, I'm literally gonna like shoot myself. If it literally starts going now after literally this wick. Let's see here. RTH hours are on. That's what I'm super careful of recently, you know? There's no way I'm gonna go long in Q when ES already hit new hive day. Just not gonna happen. Learn my lessons. This is the RTH since here. 15-minute pushed up, whatever. This one didn't break above new hive day. The new 4-hour candle will open at 2 p.m. Okay. We'll see where 2 p.m. opens. Maybe I'm just too early. That's happened before. Fucking hell, mate. Yeah. I'm just gonna wait for 2 p.m. open. I'm be so annoyed. But it'll still be, like, let's say it does it shows bearishness again and I get it again, whatever. He'll make up for it, so I wouldn't really be annoyed if it doesn't end up working out. Just don't want to miss it. Just wait for the 2 p.m. because honestly, 2 p.m. could open and then take out previous 4-hour high and then fail. So we'll see. I know most people are bullish. I mean, sure, yeah. But I'm not going to go long unless I'm near the bottom of the range, and that's just it. We're way too near the top of the range. Just better short opportunities there. Okay, where's 2 p.m.? Here we are. 2 p.m. open here. So then where's the previous 4-hour high? Will be here. Previous hourly high will be here. So honestly, let's see on ES 4-hour and is the hourly the same? Yeah. Okay. So, I'm just going to watch that. Ideally, one of them. Maybe ES makes another, like, takes this 4-hour candle out, and Q doesn't. And then maybe, same type of trade. And honestly, then I'll probably, yeah. Let's see. What's this? S&P 500. Okay. We'll do the giveaway at like the end of the trading session because I gotta stay focused here. When I try to do multitasking, it doesn't make any sense. Anyway, let's see. And I missed trades and or whatever. I missed my break evens. Okay. Did you have Friday's high? Yeah. I don't think I need that. Candle, no. Go back here to see if anything's happened. Not really, not yet. Maybe soon. $2:05 p.m. Okay. Not yet. It's not confirmed my shorts yet. It'd be great if one of them takes that previous hour, the high again, here or here. Didn't invert this by any means yet. So, just gonna wait. Otherwise, I don't have another trade. I'm gonna write that down. I'm probably gonna forget. 2 p.m. open. This is the 5. The 5's not even inverted yet either. Ba-dum-bum-bum-bum. It's gonna be. I'm telling you, who will really be annoying if I was correct. Like, we'll see what ends up happening. But getting stopped out by a little wick is annoying. It's not over yet. Nothing yet. I honestly prefer that we take out like another swing high. And then we get like the move lower. Here we are, like back at 2 p.m. open. So on the 4-hour right now. The thing is that this one already took this out, so it's just annoying that I had to retrace this much again on NQ. I had to take out new high day again. But it could just be too early. Or I could just be wrong in my analysis, which I'm fine with. But we're just being kind of slow here. Let's see here. Feels like you have FOMO and simply chasing. Okay. You're entitled to your own opinion. Getting cold in here for me. I gotta go turn off my AC. Go ES, take out the previous 4-hour candle high again. Definitely super, like, this is the 2-minute? Okay, the 1-minute looks super thinly traded. That's ES though in the afternoons, in the summertime. Definitely prefer NQ nowadays. See this 4-hour NASDAQ. Yeah, NASDAQ is staying pretty quiet here as ES reaches up higher. Literally, it would be great if ES takes this out, NASDAQ gets weaker, breaks this lower, but it's been weak, but also just slow. That's totally fine. It's only 2:15. Just been struggling at the 2 p.m. open, so like the hourly is pretty much flat. On the day, we're pretty much flat right now, I think. Not going to show me. Okay. Plus 0.3%. Okay. I can get up again and again and again. Like literally, what's crazy is that my winners are like 4 times larger than my losers typically. Let's see. I'm just waiting for another confirmation. If ES, I prefer this. This is what I prefer for another short. If ES takes this out and Q doesn't, and then we start seeing like more downside on NASDAQ, then I'll enter short. But if that doesn't happen, then I'll let it run. Like there's nothing for me to do. I'm not longing here at the high ends of the 4-hour ranges. No way. Learned that lesson. I hope this holds up again, and then we take out some high. Look at ES. So funny. There's just so many volume imbalances here. Okay. Let's see. Trying to focus, you guys. Let's see. Any questions? Trump is going to speak, question mark. Is he? I don't think so. Mr. Belushi says, trading no news Monday PM session on CPI week is crazy work. Yeah. I'm a little crazy. Honestly, though, I mean, I'm just thinking about my shorts, the 4 hour. My target hasn't been hit. I don't see why not. I'm playing with house money or whatever. Since I'm still green, but the next trade, if I do take a short, it'll be definitely smaller, so then smaller size, because I did try twice already. I mean, what did I try? I tried like this, stop here, then tried this. I'm surprised at this. I mean, these wicks definitely drive you a little crazy when you get stopped. So there's been this time I'm looking for previous 4 hour candle high to get swept here. It's been mad slow for sure. How to participate in giveaway, it'll be near the end of the stream. I'll let you know. It's just a Google Forms. So every day this week we'll do a giveaway on the stream, and then also at the end of the week, my Funded Futures giveaway. If you get entered in the giveaway every day this week for an eval, and then also if you actually make a purchase using code Tanya, then you're entering a giveaway for a sim funded account. 50K starter sim funded, so it's already past account. That's the difference. So today I'll give away 5 50K expert funded accounts. My favorite is expert. Honestly though, I'm like, Oots Patel says, how to start learning ICT from zero. I think you should listen to all his Shotgun Saturdays on full volume. You're just getting a lot of ping pong action, and it's mad slow. This market's mad slow. Let's see, what are my trades like? I took 4 trades today. Small green, basically, I consider it like basically break even, honestly. Let's see here. Where's my... Yeah. It's rough. This has been rough. What was it? Shorted here, stop break even, shorted again, took some partial, and then just added and put my stop here, stop break even there. And then in the afternoon, of course, like nothing. There's been no follow through here on the sells. Stopped. All in all, fine with this kind of action. Like, what's the range on NASDAQ right now? From the afternoon, it's like 80 points. Yeah. What's today's range on NASDAQ? Mm-hmm. 142 points. That's so tiny. Damn. During the entire New York session, but during the London session, still quite small. 172 points. Come on, bro. Give me something. Maybe ES will start creeping up. Literally all I need is for ES to take this high and then for us to have some sort of reversal in play. Otherwise it'll be boring. The 5-minute on NASDAQ, we also respected this. Dude, it'd be great if ES takes this high and then NASDAQ breaks below this. Then I'd try again. No brainer then for me. Come on, take this high, ES. Take it. I'm totally also fine with NASDAQ taking like a previous hourly high too. It's really slow, yeah. Maybe. Omar says, hey Tanya, on 50K eval account, do you recommend trading micros or 1 to 2 minis? I hesitate trading minis with 2K drawdown. Yeah, dude, do not be trading minis on a 50K account. You gotta do micros. I trade minis on my personal account. On all the funded accounts, I go typically micros. And that's like on a 150K account. I'll take like 1 mini pretty much max, 2 minis maybe if the stop is tight. This is wild. Come on, dude. Where's the previous hourly high for an ES? Not there yet. We're literally inside this candle in NASDAQ too. I can't believe like ES is literally like 1.5 points away from this, and oh my god, look how thinly traded that is. Even on the 2-minute, there's just so many volume balances, yeah. What has NASDAQ got in store for us? An equal high, yes. Equal high. Come on, bruv. You guys, I'm gonna be British next. Come on, bruv. You know what's interesting? I had a good talk with one of my friends, very successful trader, on Friday, and I was like, you know what? Like, my performance recently has been very back and forth. I'm literally break even, and he's like, start trading 4 minis. It's interesting because it's like the opposite of what you think. I mean, but he said because I like to take partials and such. I don't know. I guess I don't know. I think I'm fine with trading 4 to like 6 minis, honestly, if I'm pyramiding. But the initial position, 3 minis is pretty much my max for now. Don't see exactly how that would help right now. It does make sense though, if you're like just like slightly, you have an edge, but just slightly profitable in the like this consolidation market, or just like, you know, but sizing higher is gonna make you more profitable, but also it's just gonna give you more stress. It's not even the easiest environment, so. This is, I'm obviously talking about my personal account. I do both personal and funded. Yes, again. Okay, finally, it took the previous 4-hour candle high. Cool. NQ just not even close to the new high of day. I have my Friday high here, my open. I don't really think I need this right now because I don't really respect it anyway. So let's see if we see another divergence. Maybe that won't play out. But for what I would need from NQ now is actually, I need it to close below this on the 2 or the 5. It doesn't matter. Yeah. This is literally from here to here is only 18 points too. What's up, Tanya? Patience game. Someone says, "Is this not Six Sister on NQ?" No, I'm not long. I'm not longing Six Sister at the top of the range. In fact, what I've noticed, honestly, almost, I need to actually get a percentage, but so many of my losses are when I look for a continuation and there's been a divergence at the high or the low, and then a reversal plays out. So, and then we're in consolidation conditions. I'd rather just trade reversals at the edges of the range and look for a continuation. That's not good. So let's see. I mean, I'm still waiting. Someone says short is starting to set up. Maybe. We could also just freaking wick this all day long. We'll see. I mean, I would love it. I would really like it. Trust me. We just took out this 4-hour high on ES, not on NASDAQ. I would love it. I just gotta get my confirmation. Just literally, I need this to break down here. I have the 3-minute I have the 5-minute marked out, but I'm also going to be looking like, if we start trading down through it, I'll be willing to take an entry on the 3 or the 2. It's fine. It could literally be hell. It could be hell. We'll see. Ideally, we get this blown out. Yeah. I honestly feel like what we usually do is like just consolidate, and then we get a fast drop so randomly because because of this lack of market participation. So it makes it easier for larger entities to whiplash people around. Someone's Princess Jesus Christ Nasdaq, do something. I know, dude. I mean, I took a couple of paper cups. I tried to short this. Whatever. I'm totally fine with that. I took a bit before 2 p.m., so that was my risk I was willing to take. We wicked this here, made a new high, and yes, not a Nasdaq. I'm looking for the short, dude, and it's not doing nothing here. It needs to break down here for me to look for it, to go for it. Then I'd go for like all the way here, honestly here too. Where's the 2 p.m. open? There it is. The previous hourly low is here. Cool. Like the stickers are like, Nasdaq, do something. Honestly, it might not do much because of the fact that it is no news Monday. Got CPI. But I'll see. Love the giveaway. Piyush Pawa says, survive in these markets and you'll learn and you'll live long enough to see the golden days. Literally, yeah. Is it coming now? No. Dude, can we break down now? Yes, is like had one candle to the downside now. That's it. Didn't really do much and break a low. Been stuck in a little range here on Nasdaq for 20 points or so since 145 for about an hour. 20-point range on Nasdaq for an hour. Anya, what is your win rate? Honestly, recently it's been 30%. Jeez. Maybe here. I'm gonna laugh. Come on, dude. Yes, is somewhat showing something decent. ES is starting to fade, so that's looking good for us, maybe. Looking good. Alright. Time to try it one last time for my shorts, and I am in right now. I just entered. Let's go. Third time's the charm. Let me put on text and marker so it's more easy to see. Markers. Tried shorts twice there. See here. On the 5 minute. Yeah. So I'm risking 20. Here's 20. I would put stop break even there. Let's see if ES hits this low from 315. From 115, actually. Need to see it. I think that we could have some follow through to the downside finally, hopefully. The person that says like, oh, it seems like you're, we'll show all my, if it looks like you're rushing or something, or you're chasing. Yeah, but I'm entering at the closure of the candle after the inversion, because I've just been noticing so many times it just doesn't retrace, so I'd rather do that, especially if I know that I'm entering in a premium of the range anyway. If I'm looking for here, 10 a.m. open. We'll see how this goes. Are we finally going to see some follow through to the downside? 5 points. Woo. Literally nothing so far. Well, yeah, let's see all this fall through. That'll be good. The previous hourly low is 834. Yeah, so after we hit this low, I would put stop break even. Yeah. Maybe it does come and retrace and retest it. That's totally fine by me. My stop's at the swing high, so it can. But yeah, I don't want to not be in this if it just decides to fall through. So let's see. Yeah, I'm also just watching ES and NQ at the same time. Like, to be honest, doesn't really even matter. But let's see. I will literally have a cow if we end up having like another SMT at this low. But at that point, then I'll probably be stop break even anyway. It would just be annoying. This low is 1 hour essentially. I'm still thinking about the 4 hour and the 1 hour time frame. CES, and the 4 hour. Yeah. And the 1 hour. Yeah. Cool. I'll totally come back and retest it. I won't be worried because I entered on the closure of the candle inversion and we didn't take any low yet. That's fine. What's this high? Yeah, high stop's correct. Let's see it. Okay. So literally gave me exactly what I was waiting for. So literally no regrets. Let's see. Hit this low, then I'll put my stop break even. Five-minute got inverted there. Retracing. That's totally cool. See the 15. Cool. We didn't take out this 15 swing low. That's what I want us to go. Where I put my stop break even. Cool. Retracing in this. Don't really want it to come back above 2 p.m. open. Just this. Retesting the inversion, whatever. Come on, dude. This ends up going up higher. I'll have no words. I'll have no words. Close below the 5-minute. Ideally, we reject. It was like 5 points in profit, now it's 7 points in drawdown. That's fine. Like, I'm not even asking for that much. Literally, I'm saying get to here first. Still valid. You need ES to run this low. Wants to do another retracement? Go ahead, dude. Go ahead. Better fail at this 2 p.m. open. Bum, 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 bum. You guys, what's gonna happen? I'm seriously, like, that's what this hourly looks like right now. Dude, the minimum I wanted was this. It could still work out. Still fine. It's rejecting that 2 p.m. open. You have the divergence of ES. But this is seriously like the last short I'm trying of the day. Maybe we'll end up distributing at 350. Or maybe I'll get stopped out again. I don't give a shit, honestly. Let's see here. See the 3. Looking fine. It's fine. It's just not like clean. Honestly, I don't even expect anything less. That's fine. Tracing. This is the entry I would have taken if I had taken the retest. So that's what I'm saying. It's like I'm fine with taking this entry because that's just only 5 points above. Not much of a difference. We end up zooming back up to here, I'm literally just gonna be like, bye, Felicia. It's fine. It's like coming back up into 2 p.m. open, rejecting this. It's my stops here at this high. This is the high that ES made to make a new high of day, so we shouldn't take that out again. It's the high that made the swing low. Get back up here, then whatever. There's no continuation. I would think that we're expanding back down lower. At least here. A rough market. It's doing fine. But bruh, I just hate being in a trade for so long. So I'll complain about it, but honestly, it makes sense. Makes sense. It's an afternoon trade. It's a 3-minute. It's on the 3-minute time frame. You gotta be patient. Afternoon trades can take like an hour, 2 hours. Right now it's 2:52. I'm ready for this to start distributing to the downside. Maybe during the 250 to 310 hour. I don't care. Whatever it wants to do. Reject at 2 p.m. open at least. So this candle's like didn't start turning green on the 4 hour, so it's still red. So we'll see. Gotta see. It would be nice if this green candle gets taken back. I'll start seeing more inversions. Otherwise, I'm in for another slow cooked death. Back at 2 p.m. open again. That's fine. Someone says smooth highs, jagged lows. You see, I see smooth highs and smooth lows, and some jagged highs and jagged lows. So we'll see. I'll just know I'm totally wrong if I do get stopped out here, because that's where the SMT is. And sure, then I'm wrong, and it should have been bullish, but the RR is just much better on the downside. And there's been divergences at the highs. I just still can't believe we didn't take this low yet. Look at them wicks. It's crazy. Wicks be wicking. No, 250 has not been going down lower. No, not yet. Oh, well, we just closed above 2 p.m. open. Now that candle's back to green, so literally I'll get stopped out soon if I'm wrong on the bearishness. Whatever. Let's see. Did not want it to come back close back above 2 p.m. open. Yeah. Oh well. The shorts are not working today. I tried short. What are we up to here? Probably negative 500 here on the day. Negative 457. Okay. Straight up did not work. Did not even go to here. So I'm wrong. It's fine. It's fine. That's fine. That's nasty. Even on the move up. Pretty nasty. Well, there's nothing for me to do here anymore. I tried that short to here. Did not even get me my first target. It was wild. Short to here. I did that one. Nope. I'm not flipping bullish. I really do not care whatever we're going to do here. I do not care. It's 4 hour, yeah. Just not working out for the Bears. And there's nothing, honestly, there's nothing I want to see. Just try it again. No, literally don't care. It's fine. 20-point range, 20-point stop loss. I don't care. That's literally been happening to me now. Try it to here. It did not even go to here. It's crazy. I'm just chalking that up to not too much volume, honestly, in this market, so a lot easier to get effed over with wicks like this and like this. Don't care. It's the dead ass so you can destroy. See? Or bullishness, and I'm bearish. So now we're at the 3 p.m. market. In the 3 p.m. hour. Inside candle. These tiny ass body candles. I don't even blame myself because look how tiny these body candles are. Inside candle on this hourly and on this hourly. Double inside candle. This one's inside this, and this one's inside this. While ES took out the high, I was more bearish. That makes sense. To me, at least. So, whatever. Whatever. Might as well start with this giveaway because I'm done. I tried shorting literally 3 times. Literally never went to my first target. That's how messed it. I got effed over. But whatever. Too many trades, maybe. Honestly, I'm not too mad. Not too mad. Tried a short earlier from here. That worked out decent to the first partial, but yeah. Nasty. Okay, well. Let's make the giveaway form. At least one thing I can say is that, I don't see anything that I would have done different, really. Not really, yeah. where my target was, we're still in the premium of the day's range where I was shorting. So I want at least here at least. So never really shorted a discount. I'm happy. Okay. Okay, so we're going to give away 50K expert plans from My Funded Futures. Those are, by the way, 30% off now this week using code Tanya. That's my favorite plan because there's no consistency rules, there's no scaling rules, etc. And the payout withdrawals are the best. So like as soon as you get above the buffer, if you get, let's say you get like a 20K, your account up to 20K on let's say like on a 150K account, then you could withdraw like 14,400, something like that, 15,400 out of that because the buffer is 4,600. So on the withdrawals, there's not really a cap. So that's the best. And then there's no scaling. So you just come in with the contracts that they put in. Yeah, so we're going to give 5 of those away for the 50K. 50K expert plans. Just have to be subscribed. Honestly, I'm really interested to see what's going to happen during 350. I feel like that's just one. I feel like there's just not much activity in the market right now. And then maybe at 350, there'll be something for the macro on close. But I tried my chances. I did. Put my stop here. This looked very promising. I don't care. It's during 2 p.m. We broke down. We divergences at the highs. I would try this. Didn't even take this low yet. So I would try this again. No problem. I have no issue with this. Anyway. Yeah, let me get the Google Forms out. Honestly. Yeah, now what's this hourly looking like? It's back to black. Oh no. Isn't that a song? That's Amy Winehouse, I think. Back to Black. Yeah. It's a tiny ass candle. It's fine. I chose to do it. Yeah, now you get the divergence of ES there. I really hate how we just constantly flip the divergences, so it's really a horrible environment to be doing that in. Okay. Let me just get the form finished off here. I'm going to ask for your first name, YouTube username, let's see here, and your email that you registered with My Funded Futures. Okay. By the way, the expert plans are off 30% off this week. And if you're a new user, it's 50% off any one of your first plans. So if you haven't tried them out, now's the time to try them, really. Let's see here. Let's get your link. That's mad frustrating. There's no follow through on each way. It's like, it's one thing if if we had displacement stuff, so I'm like, yeah, we're so bullish. It's totally not. It's totally not the case. Bruh, I can't believe that this really... I mean, I can believe it, not gonna lie. Someone said, that's time to take a nap. Enter giveaway here. Yeah, it does. Yeah, dude, I'm on a losing streak now. On my stream too. It's like, it's annoying. It's so annoying if I take something in an afternoon and then it ends up working out, and then I'm like, okay, well, I'm up money, but it doesn't even count because it wasn't in front of everybody. Such a mental game. Actual added mental game for no reason, but whatever. It's fine. I'm down 450 from taking like a bunch of minis today, so I'm like, whatever. It's nothing. Wanted to try it, so I wanted to try it. Right? There's just no follow through. It would have been a ton if it was follow through. Like, I shorted here once, stopped break even, shorted again. I took a partial here, so it allowed me to. This one didn't. And then partialed again because we weren't following through in this fair value gap. And then I added back what I partialed here, and then I got stop break even. Like, what am I? That was my winning trade. And then these are my tried again. Like, that's unfortunate. Every time I got stopped, I was like on a wick. This one's not so much a wick, but literally not entering again. Miss me with that bullshit, honestly. Inside this candle. This is the hourly right now in NASDAQ. Whatever, dude. I'll just wait for the next opportunity. I'm close to it. I'm gonna get a 5-hour trade on my stream. Can't get too annoyed. I'm still doing well, but annoying. I followed all my criteria. Did you guys start entering? Let's see. Yeah, 394 responses. All right. So those of you who just entered quickly, let's do it. Let's start giving them away. Because it's not like I'm going to enter anything here. Fuck this. I should have just... That was the one thing I should have done. Short here. But then I would have got stop break even, so who cares? Yeah. Let me think. Yeah. I don't care. Okay. All right, let's see these responses. 439 people. The least I can do in this trash environment is give away some accounts. Let's do it. Okay. Fucking hell, mate. Like, honestly, what is this? What is this range right now? I want to see that, actually. 50-point range in the last 2 hours. All right. There's like straight up no room for error or no room to try on a second entry on like a continuation, even though we didn't hit this low yet. It's like any tiny low will do. Then the next high, it's like seek and destroy. This is painful because ES is coming back down again. Let's see on the 5 for EQ. I'm not re-entering anything. I didn't even take out a previous high. Wants to go take out it now? I really don't care. Okay. All right. Let's see how many people entered. 498. Okay. Random number generator. So basically, yeah, make sure you have your email registered with My Funded Futures because that's how I'm going to give your email out to that team. And then they'll just add it to your account there. Okay, let's see here. Okay. 516 people entered so far. Let's do it. So 2 to 516. And let's see, the first 483, number 483. Congrats to Rashik. Rashik 3635. All right. Okay, now 530 people have entered. Congrats to number 434. Congrats to Emmanuel. Manny A07. All right. 545 people. Winner number 3, number 372. Congrats to Leslie. Mrs. Too Cool. Ms. Too Cool. I really... NQ, we're going to get a divorce. We're getting a divorce. All right. I gave away how many now? 3, I think. You guys, by the way, I think on Friday I give away 11 and it doesn't even matter. Might as well. Yeah, Manuel. Rashik. Okay. Okay, 579 people have entered. Did I pin it? Yeah, it's pinned in the chat if you want to enter. 579. Congrats to number 557, someone who recently just filled it out. Vivek VS. All right, cool. And last but not least, number 84. Okay. That's satisfying. At least there's a whole mix. Jimmy, I am Clutch 369. Congrats to Jimmy. All right, you guys all won a 50K expert plan for My Funded Futures. And today is only the first day of giveaways here. We're going to do a giveaway every day on the channel, especially close towards the end. Because why not? This action has been miserable, pretty much. So might as well give some accounts away, right? So we're doing 2 types of giveaways. It's every day there'll be like an eval. Evals will be given away. And then also, you know, if you're trying My Funded Futures and you're using code Tanya, you're also ending up in a giveaway for a sim funded account. I'll be giving away at the end of the at the end of the week. There'll be 2 of them given away, a 50K starter account. So it's like skipping the eval phase, and they'll just give you a sim funded straight up, which is cool because then you could already get started on getting towards payout. So yeah, man, that's it for today. I tried to short based on like 4-hour and 1-hour sweeps. NASDAQ hates me because it would go towards it and then all the way back up. But honestly, I don't even care. It's just c'est la vie. That's what we're dealing with right now. Fine. Like I know for sure another day will happen where this kind of setup will work and it'll be clean. It'll actually go to my final target real quick. And I'll literally make up the previous losses. There's got to be patient, not like start, getting anxious or annoyed. And no, I wasn't gonna go short and then put a stop here. Doesn't make sense. The divergence was here. Decide to make another divergence. I don't care. It could do anything it wants to do right now. It's not doing anything, it's ranging. I'm going to close my charts. Congrats to the winners. We'll be back here tomorrow, 9:15 a.m. Hopefully it'll be better price action. I mean, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday with CPI, PPI, and more red folder news. So, it's like, don't cry over spilt milk. It really doesn't matter. The end-all be-all of things. But it's quite annoying. Especially since now it comes back down towards where it entered. There's really nothing I can do about that. I'm not going to take another trade for no reason. I'm not going to take another trade based on the same kind of reasoning, or at least like, oh, now NQ took the high when it was the weaker one the whole time. So, yeah, I'll see what ends up happening here later on. I don't really care. I'll see tomorrow. If it ends up going for this 10 a.m. open without me, I don't care. I try to position myself like twice or 3 times, actually. Right? Yeah. Tried once here, and then again here, and then here. What can you do? You're in a range within a range. That's fine. I'll try that again. Next time it'll work smoothly. Yeah. Maybe it leaves more equal highs for tomorrow, That'll be nice. Leave all these equal highs, equal lows for tomorrow. See on the hourly. Not even much equal lows on the hourly for ES. Let's see NQ. Yeah, maybe. It's not my favorite with like no fair value gaps below them. But yeah. It's just going to be so funny if I just got... It's fine. There's no point. There's nothing to do here. I'm not chasing more. I'm not chasing and entering again. Like, all in all, since the afternoon started, we've been in a 50-point range in the last 2 hours. 46-point range. And the whole New York session is 145-point range. The day's range is 174 points. That's a tiny range. So even me trying to short near the top of the range, cut me out. Whatever. I'm out. I'm at peace with it. I'm gonna journal like my stops and stuff. I think I'm fine with this, and I'm happy. It's 20-point stop, 25-point stop, and I was always looking for like 70 to 90. Just gotta be patient for when the market's gonna reward those kinds of entries, and that's it. It happened on Friday. I was just on the wrong side of the equation. Yeah. So stay safe, everybody, and I'll see you back here tomorrow. We'll do more giveaways. I'm praying for better price action tomorrow, Tuesday. Honestly, I'm starting to get sick and tired of the market, but you can't get too mad at the market. Yeah, so I'm gonna go swing some golf balls, honestly, and I'll see you back here tomorrow.